Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So in my last video yesterday I also covered the larger time frame, bigger picture. So if you're interested in that, check it out. But today we just want to focus on the smaller time frame. And you can see that here on the Solana chart, we are tracking at the moment a wave 2 correction in yellow. And well, that this wave 2 is either already finished, that would be the low on the 6th of September in green. Okay, so it's possible this was a 1-2 setup, which is bullish, after a larger degree wave 4 finished on the 5th of August. In that case, there is obviously a pathway higher, more directly, but I think we need to be, let's say, we need to be skeptical about it, given that the movements to the upside from that September low have all been corrective. So they have been overlapping, they have been messy, they haven't been directly, clearly bullish. So from that point of view, it is possible that the wave 2 is still unfolding. This is what the yellow scenario reminds us of. We might just test the support zone again before another breakout attempt to the upside is made. As I said in previous updates, we're simply in a sideways range at the moment. The market has not only reacted to the channel's upper boundary line a few times now, but also yesterday, today, to the standard Fibonacci resistance area we talked about, which is defined between $158.40 and $150.37. So essentially, until we break above this week's high, which is located at $159.40, followed by a break above $162, which is the upper boundary line of that parallel trend channel, or rather, it's not even a trend, shouldn't call it a trend channel, it's more like a range. And until we see a break above, I have to at least consider we could test the lower support area again. So that, however, takes us to the microstructure. If we look at the microstructure, you can see we have only a 3-wave move up, so it's not clearly bullish again. It's just moving in corrective structure. So in these situations, it's best to zoom out and just take a look at the levels instead of trying to decipher the micro counts, because they can easily change. Yet we are sort of constrained by the range. And I mean, the support area is clear. So typically I'm like, as long as we're above support, we can look at higher. Below support, which is the $119 level, we should look at lower, and then it would be the blue count that can take us into the maybe mid $70 region, but we're far away from that. So for now, we're holding above support, and we're even holding in the upper half of that sideways range. So there is certainly the chance for more direct upside trend continuation, or actually a successful upside breakout, because we're holding more in that upper half. Possibly it indicates some upside pressure. And also we have been printing some, higher highs and one higher low here since the October low, and also since the September low, but we just haven't broken out yet. So the first breakout point is up here around $162. Obviously it's a bit of a dynamic breakout point trend line there. And then above that, we've got the red line around $182. But overall, as long as we're in this range, there is just not much going on. Really, the most important levels to watch for on this chart are $119. That's the lower boundary line of our support area. Only when that breaks, something really breaks on this chart, and the bullish scenario will become less likely. And the $162 level, 161, 162, right? These previous swing highs. As long as we stay below them, there is no breakout, and we just move up and down. It could just extend this for a bit longer, and we just need more patience. So essentially, I'm just watching that $162 level now. A break above could send us possibly quite quickly to that next $183, $184 level. At least here, depending on when we reach it, right? This upper trend line. Unfortunately, not much more going on, but I tend to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt as long as we are above support. All I'm saying is, we moved from support into micro resistance, so we've reached the next decision point. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.